In my previous video, I spoke extensively why you are not making money on the internet. And today I am going to be continuing on that same part. And if you have been thinking why you are not making money on the internet, I'm going to continue on that particular video right now. I can link the previous video in the comment section. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing and revealing to you the reasons why you're not making money on the internet. Making money on the internet, you got to do some work, guys. If you want to stay in that particular game, you have to do some certain things. That is the only way that you can make money on the internet. You know, when you put some seed on the ground, there is time to harvest. And right now, it's possible. You need to be consistent. You need to do this thing regularly. Successful people have different ways and things that they have actually done that has always helped them to maintain and stay consistent in that game and also to make money. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the notification button, please, and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post my videos, you will be the first to get that. Now, guys, let's dive into this video. Making money online is very, very possible, and don't think that you are different. Maybe you may be seeing some people, maybe your friends or people that you know, just like I said, and they're giving their testimonies and you're waiting for when your own testimony is going to take place. You need to work. And right now, number one reason, and one of the reasons that is making you not to make money on the internet and count your blessings, is that you don't have any identified niche. You're not in any niche. No specific niche. And if you don't have any specific niche that you're trying to promote with your skills, is not actually going to work. You need to have a niche. Master that niche. You understand? Know how that niche work so that you can be able to make money on that particular niche. And one niche can definitely make you a whole lot of money. You don't need to start running up and down, doing this and doing that. You can still go into another niche, but you need to at least master one, because jack of all trade, master of none. So by the time you'll be able to master your niche, get one niche and focus on it, you can now diversify on other niches. This is one of the problems that people have. Tomorrow you're into this, tomorrow you're into that, tomorrow you're into affiliate marketing, tomorrow you're into e-commerce business, tomorrow you're into, you confuse yourself. So right now you need to identify the particular niche that you want to do and focus on it. That's the only way that you'll be able to make money. Only one niche can actually create and make you quite a lot of money. Get the skills and you start moving. Number two reasons right now on this our part 2 episode of why you are not making money on the internet is that you are inconsistent and impatient. If you are inconsistent and impatient, is not actually going to help you, because successful people have taught us to be patient and told us, when you listen to how they talk and how they do their own things, patience is one of the virtue that they have shown that will continue to help them. If you're not patient enough to be able to reap what you've already put on ground, it's not going to work. And you need to be consistent. How can you plant a maize, for instance? You plant something on the ground and you're not watering it and you're not nurturing it and you're not watching it so that you'll be able to harvest and have a good time on it. So you need to be consistent. You need to keep pushing. You need to keep doing that thing. Because once you master that game, so that's what people used to master one particular game and they say, yes, this thing is actually working, and they keep to it. You need to stand to that particular thing, and before you know it, you start making money on the internet. The next reason why you're not making money on the internet is that you did not monetize any of your skills. There are lots of skills that people have acquired, and definitely people will run to you if you have shown yourself capable that you can always deliver on this particular thing. People will always definitely run to you to be able to solve one or two problems with your skills. And if you're doing it for free for them, don't blame yourself if you're not making money, because you actually need to see it and take it as a business. You need to run down your skills as a business if actually you want to make money from it, unless you want to do it as a charity organizations. In that way, do not complain that you're not making money on the internet. A lot of people don't actually know that you can monetize your skills. I recently, someone now sent me a message that he wants to learn a particular thing, and I told the person, please, I can charge you a fee, just a token for you to be able to learn this thing. I will teach you everything that you need for you to be able to, go on with this thing. And she says she cannot, that she doesn't have money. I said, okay, right now I have monetized all my skills and I don't do anything for free. At least, even if I don't charge you much, I must be able to collect small, very little, so that I can give you value. You understand? Give you value of what you need. The next thing, reason why you're not making money on the internet or online, is that you have low quality content. If you actually want to earn money on the internet, you should be able to receive what you have given out. If your content is low on value, it's going to definitely disturb your earnings. It's going to disturb your revenue. The quality of the value of what you are giving out determines the markets and what you are definitely going to receive as a value in terms of money, or in terms of it determines the money that you're going to receive. So once you know that you want to start earning good money on the internet, you need to give value to your audience and let them return, understand, that same value, maybe through money or whatever process. So make sure that you're giving them good quality content, and by the time they start reciprocating, by the time they start returning, you returning those favors. It might be in terms of money and other things. You now know that yes, they are all happy about it. You need to make your audience satisfied. Make sure you're giving them value, you understand, for the money. Is very, very necessary. And that is the way that you can actually make money on the internet. The next reason why you're not making money on the internet is that you are not focused. Being focused is this: when you now get some certain things, some people doing their struggles, once they see that this thing is not actually working out, they start giving up. You don't need to give up on time. You need to be focused and end up in that game and see how it's going to work out. Be focused, give it some time. You understand? Allow that thing to mature so that you will be able to make money on the internet. So if you're not being let's say focused on it, you've been struggling and all of a sudden things are not going the way that you expected them to go, and you're now giving up. It doesn't work like that. You need to be now focused and say, yes, I am going to finish in this game. I am going to make it. Understand? It's very, very important. And the next one is that you lack discipline. Procrastination is a disease. And when you say you want to do something, you're not actually doing that thing. You now say, okay, let me say I'm supposed to be posting videos at least twice in a week or 3 times in a week. By the time you lack discipline of doing some certain things, and your behaviors, you lack behaviors of how you want to do some certain things in that game, definitely is not going to work for you. So you need to change some certain behaviors. Do not dwell on that. Work on your discipline, work on your behavior towards your business, and before you know, you start seeing a return on your investments. Is very, very important. The next reason why you're not making money on the internet is that you focus too much on negative reviews. Definitely, whether you like it or not, people will be giving constructive reviews, negative ones. And if you dwell on that too much, it's definitely going to affect your business. So all you need to do is that once they criticize or put their negative behaviors on that, you now need to check on those things and work with that, and see how you can build your business and see how you can uplift that business. Work with that negative review. You understand? And do not dwell on it too much, because if you dwell on that too much, it's definitely going to affect your business. So try and work on yourself. No matter how you are struggling, no matter how you are doing things, it's not everybody that is going to like what you are doing. So, but do not dwell too much on that particular negative review. Next reason why you're not making money on the internet or online space is that you are not passionate enough. You don't know that people buy things on the internet or patronize people first of all because of emotion, through emotion, before they now start with logic. If people see that you are passionate and you have energy towards what you are doing, they will definitely patronize you. So people need to see that in your actions. They need to see what you are doing. They need to know that you are passionate about your business online. And in that way, they will return that favor and be able to patronize you so that your business can grow. So you need to be passionate about your brand. You need to be passionate about whatever you are putting out there, and let people know and let people see that definitely that you are really serious into this. And that's the only way that you will definitely make money on the internet. Guys, this is where I am going to be stopping about this. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get that. Guys, if you have any question, if you have any comments, or you want to share something, you can put it on the comment section. Guys, thank you for always watching my videos. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.